Finding the perfect coffee machine can be a daunting task, especially with so many options that claim to deliver the best brew. Many buyers make the mistake of choosing machines that don't fit their lifestyle, leading to disappointment. In this video, we're diving into the top 5 Nespresso machines of 2026 to help you make an informed choice. From compact designs for small kitchens to versatile machines perfect for entertaining guests, there's something for everyone. Stick around to discover which model takes the top spot. It's a surprising choice that might just change your coffee game forever. Remember, links in the description for current prices, and don't forget to subscribe for more great content like this. Nespresso Vertuo Next Coffee and Espresso Maker by. The Nespresso Vertuo Next is a standout machine, particularly for those who appreciate versatility in their coffee choices. This model boasts the ability to brew both coffee and espresso with a single touch, making it ideal for households where preferences may vary. Its innovative brewing technology adapts the extraction method to the specific coffee capsule, ensuring a rich and consistent flavor. The sleek, compact design fits easily into any kitchen space, perfect for those who want quality without sacrificing counter space. However, its reliance on proprietary capsules can be a downside for budget-conscious users seeking a broader selection. Nespresso CitiZ Coffee and Espresso Machine by DeLonghi. The Nespresso CitiZ is designed for those who crave a cafe-style experience at home without the fuss. Perfect for urban dwellers or anyone with limited counter space, this machine combines a retro aesthetic with modern functionality. It heats up quickly, allowing you to enjoy your morning brew in no time. The CitiZ offers customizable cup sizes, catering to both espresso aficionados and coffee lovers alike. Its high-quality build and ease of use make it a favorite, but some may find the smaller water reservoir requires more frequent refills during busy mornings. Nespresso Essenza Mini Espresso Machine by Breville. If you're short on space but refuse to compromise on quality, the Nespresso Essenza Mini Espresso Machine is the perfect solution. This compact machine packs a punch, delivering rich espresso shots with just the push of a button. It's incredibly lightweight and easy to store, making it an excellent choice for students or those with cozy kitchens. The Essenza Mini offers 2 programmable cup sizes, ensuring you can customize your brew to your liking. However, its smaller water tank means that frequent refills are necessary, which might not be ideal for heavy coffee drinkers. Nespresso Essenza Mini Coffee and Espresso Machine by. This Nespresso Essenza Mini Coffee and Espresso Machine is a game changer for anyone looking for quality coffee in a compact form. It's designed for convenience, heating up in just 26 seconds, making it perfect for quick coffee breaks. With its sleek design and choice of 2 cup sizes, users can easily switch from a strong espresso to a milder coffee. The machine also uses energy-saving technology, automatically shutting off after 9 minutes of inactivity, which is great for those who are conscious about energy consumption. On the downside, its smaller size may limit the volume of coffee brewed at one time, so it's best suited for individual use rather than entertaining guests. DeLonghi Nespresso Vertuo Plus Coffee and Espresso Maker. Topping our list is the DeLonghi Nespresso Vertuo Plus Coffee and Espresso Maker, a remarkable machine that combines cutting-edge technology with exceptional ease of use. Ideal for coffee enthusiasts who appreciate variety, this model brews a wide range of coffee styles, from traditional espresso to larger coffee cups. The unique centrifusion brewing technology ensures that each cup is perfectly extracted for vibrant flavors and aromas. Its sleek, modern design fits seamlessly into any kitchen, and the large water tank minimizes the need for refills. While it may come at a higher price point, The quality and versatility it offers justify the investment for serious coffee lovers. We hope this guide to the top 5 Nespresso machines in 2026 has helped you find the perfect fit for your coffee routine. Each machine has its unique strengths tailored to different preferences and lifestyles. Don't forget to check the links in the description for the best prices on these models. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more insightful reviews and tips. Your next perfect brew is just a click away.